What's up, everyone? And I'd like to welcome everyone back to my channel because we have some very special gifts today. So as you can see, this first package came from Jamaica. So that means that it came from my nail sister, Natz Nail Journey. She is on YouTube and Instagram, and I will definitely be leaving her information linked below. You can see this, she had this really cool like duct tape on the box to make sure everything stayed sealed. That's some nail art inspo. I thought it was really cute and I really like that. Now I didn't go into too much detail and I did not open these pots, but I already know that these are acrylics, and one of them, I did look at them a little bit later, and it's one of my favorites that she mixed herself. She also included some additional like 3 extra bags full of nothing but glitter and acrylic powder. So I want to thank her so much for that. Again, I didn't go into a lot of detail because I will be doing another video completely dedicated to swatching these once I can get some packaging and things like that. So if you know my nail sister, Sugared Eclipse Nails, this is a package from her. I actually won during one of her lives, so thank you to her for that as well. She is such a sweetheart, and I absolutely love this. Everything is holographic. Everything is beautifully wrapped and packaged, and even her handwriting is just so beautiful. So as you can see here, it says, "Thanks for coming to Sunday Fun Day." Every single Sunday, she does a live YouTube, and she does something fun or creative or an unboxing or swatches, something just to interact with her viewers. So again, check her out as well. Her information will also be linked below. And this is such a cute bag. So like, I'm obsessed with polka dots, and I really love polka dots. So I was like super happy when I saw this. And again, everything was just packaged and then packaged again and then packaged again. So I really appreciate that. I'm glad everything made it here safe, but I won one of her mixes as well. So shout out to all my nail sisters. I have a lot of them who make their own acrylic mixes, and they do not mind sharing. So I've won a couple of giveaways, or Nat's package was a very big surprise. I wasn't even expecting that. So yeah, but I actually helped name this color. So it's a festive like holiday. It's got like gold, green, red, silver, like hollow sparkles in there. And this is called Fruity Pebbles is what I named it, because that's what it reminded me of. And it took me a second trying to open it and, you know, find the opening or get this washi tape. But again, everything was just packaged so well. Nothing spilled. Nothing came out in the bag. So I do open this and show you what this one looks like. Since she already swatched it for me, and I absolutely love that she sent the swatch stick with it. So thank you so much for that as well. But again, she's just such a sweetheart. And this is just really pretty. And when you see the glitter, it just screams like Christmas. You could see the red and the green glitter in there along with the powder and the silver. It's just really pretty. So man, I'm going to have to find a way to use acrylic. I'm just going to have to find a way. But then this is also one of her own glitter mixes as well. So her and I share the love for purple. Like, purple is my absolute favorite color. If I ever have a question or wonder what I'm going to do next, I try to incorporate other colors on my channel because, you know, who wants to see purple all the time? But I could do a purple set every single video, I feel like, and be okay with it. But she also had one of these spoons in her live, and I absolutely love that little spoon. So thought that was super cute, and I appreciate her for sending me one of those. And then the next package, this final package, is from Born Pretty. So I actually wasn't like too happy about this, the way the package showed up. I love everything that showed up, but since it was my birthday month last night, they sent me a little gift, like a little coupon to spend on their website. So I did spend that. And then this was everything, and so I decided to split it up. Now, I bought a polygel kit, and the only thing that I didn't like, again, about the packaging was that everything was just thrown in the package. Like, when you buy a kit, you kind of like, I don't want to say you expect it to be in a special package, but kind of like in its own separate, like even if they would have put everything in its own little bag inside the package that came with the polygel kit instead of having to sort everything out. But either way, I got everything that I ordered, so I was happy about that, and you cannot beat the quality of these products. So these are dual forms. I never use the dual forms, but you got a little brush, and then you also got this little cuticle pusher with it. So I actually kept this and threw my other one away because it was looking, I used those to clean off my old products. It was a little gunky, but this cuticle oil, I was twisting and twisting, and then I ended up twisting it a little too much, but it's okay. It all worked out, but I do use it. You can see it dripped on my towel there a little bit because I just, yeah. And then I did the smell test. It smells like pomegranate, but it smells like really good, really subtle, but really good, and it doesn't leave your hands looking like super greasy once it's all rubbed in if you don't apply too much, so I like that as well. And then this slip solution is some of the best slip solution that I have ever tried. You'll get a chance to see how it works, but I wish that it came in bigger bottles, to be honest, because I would buy it. They have this on their website. It's $2.99, and I definitely want to buy more. I did have the opportunity to buy more, but I decided to use my other coupon for the Christmas season on something else. So you can see it looks purple in the bottle, but when I dump it out, it still looks clear. But this stuff is amazing. And I don't know why I pushed this silver liner back into the top when I want to squeeze it out. So don't ask. I do the craziest things. And look at me, I almost dumped it out. Like, I didn't notice that. I almost spilled it as well. So I don't know. Anyway, these are the 3 beautiful polygel colors. Now, I will be swatching these on camera because I was super curious about these. I love polygel. It's my favorite medium to work with. So like I mentioned, as you can see, it squeezes out just a very little bit at a time, which is fine. That's actually perfect because you really don't need a lot of this stuff at all. Like, this stuff just literally glides over the polygel and makes it super easy to work with. So, of course, I'm going to use just my regular polygel brush, this pink one that I got off of Amazon. And I already put base coat inside of the swatch stick. So I recently swatched some Savvyland polygels that I did off camera. Before my mom's wedding, I bought a kit that I thought I was going to use, and I didn't end up using it. And like, my polygel just popped out of the swatch stick because the swatch sticks are plastic. It was like this perfectly shaped little polygel swatch, and I was like, okay. So since then, I've started putting base coat on the inside of my swatch stick, so that way my polygel doesn't just come popping out whenever it feels like at any given time. I want it to stay in there. But anyway, this is color number 3, and I've really been looking for some glitter polygels. Like, it's actually more shimmery than glittery. It's like really, really fine glitter. And it just looked different to me on the website when I was looking around. So I was like, yeah, definitely. I want to try Born Pretty polygel. So I was really excited when they sent me that coupon because they don't sell polygel on Amazon. If they did, I probably would have all of the colors by now. This polygel was super easy to work with. And like I mentioned, this slip solution was amazing. Like, my brush is just literally, it almost worked too well. It was literally just going over the polygel and not pressing it anywhere. So yeah, but this is the color number 3. It's like a really light purple. It's almost white. It's just really pretty. Like, I could see me ombreing these. Like, this is what the other side of the swatch looks like after it's cured. It's just so beautiful. Actually, no, this is the second color. Sorry. This is color number 4, and then this is color number 5. So number 4 is more purple, but I kind of have more of like those blue iridescent shimmers in it. And then number 5 is like this super pretty pink, again, with like the white iridescent. Like, these colors are just so gorgeous. Like, I was very happy that I chose these and that they are now in my collection because I love polygel. So the next item I got was like a random gel polish gift bag. And so this was the gel polish that it came with. Now, it said 4 pieces in the gel polish gift bag thing, and I think it was like $4.99 or something like that, and I only got 1 gel polish, so I was a little disappointed about that as well, but it is what it is. It's still a very pretty color. This is the solid cream gels, and I got number 9 and number 12. and I believe I already have number 7 that they had sent me as PR. And look at these. Oh my gosh, like these are like Caramelicious, the number 9, but they are more see-through. And then number 12, it just had that really gorgeous glitter in it as well. So I love that. And then I've been seeing everybody get these as PR, these metallic drawing things. Now these have a very, very strong odor. Like these have like a monomer smell to them. So if you easily get headaches from like nail polish or anything like that, or nail products, these might not be the ones for you, because they are very, very strong. Actually, I had to put them in a baggie so that I couldn't smell them outside of the pots. Like, and you can see that they're very runny, like they're very loose, which makes them really easy to use for like line art. They're supposed to be gel liners, but I think they're really gorgeous and I absolutely love them and I definitely want to use them, but I just have to be really picky about when I use them because of the smell. But yeah, I think they're just absolutely beautiful. So you can see that I stirred it around a little bit and you can kind of see the gold like in the pot. But to be honest, like I feel like it's just going to keep going back to where you can see that silver on top. They are a little bit darker, like this is the silver. And yeah, if I stirred them a little better, it probably wouldn't be so streaky and things like that. But I just wanted to hurry up and get the lids back on them because of the smell for the evening or at the time that I was swatching these. But outside of that, like this rose gold is just super, super pretty. And I thought the names were really fun, like Alchemist, Cyberpunk, things like that. So I'm glad I have them in my collection either way, and they work wonderfully. And that was one coat and the coverage is just gorgeous. So the other thing I ordered was like a random sticker pack or a sticker gift bag as well. I actually only got one thing of stickers, but I also got this really, really pretty like nail foil. I absolutely love that as well, and I've been trying to think of how to incorporate that in a set, of course, because it's purple, and then these dragon stickers. So thank you all so much for being the best part of my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this little haul, and I'll see you in my next video.